I have the OnePlus Nord CE6 5G, and today I'll show you how to use reverse wired charging on this phone. Now, there's no dedicated setting to turn this particular feature on this phone, but it's turned on by default, and as long as you have a Type-C to Type-C cable, just like this one, you can connect one end of that Type-C cable to the phone and the other end to another device like these earbuds, just like that, and it should be able to start charging your earbuds. Now you can do this also with other phones, so if I connect this other end to a phone that has a Type-C port, just like that, it should start charging just like that, and as you can see, it's charging my phone. But that's basically how to use reverse wired charging on your OnePlus Nord CE6 5G. Hope this was useful. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel if it was. Don't forget to leave your questions and comments down below and we'll get back to you. Until the next video, take care and God bless.